Hi everyone, in this video we're taking a look at why tea can make a great alternative to morning coffee. If you're interested in premium tea, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this each week. Coffee is one of the most popular beverages on earth, and many people love the taste and caffeine lift it offers, especially in the morning. But it's no secret that coffee is an intense brew, delivering a high dose of caffeine and relatively high acidity. While I personally enjoy the taste of coffee, sometimes it feels a bit harsh on my system. As a morning beverage, I find tea to be gentler while still providing the focused energy boost I need. Brew tea has significantly less caffeine than brew coffee, and tea also contains theanine, which regulates the effects of caffeine on your body. The combination of caffeine and theanine offers a steadier release of energy without the jitters or crash. In addition, theanine is known to improve focus, allowing you to harness the caffeine energy boost. Tea also has more neutral pH, which makes it gentler on the digestive tract. But theanine and pH are just some of tea's benefits. Tea leaves also contain many beneficial antioxidants which may prevent free radical damage. Plus, with so many different tea styles and flavor profiles to choose from, it's easy to find one or several that you'll enjoy. To learn more about premium tea, visit redblossomtea.com. Make sure you leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos.